Welcome guys into this new short video. I'm gonna show you how to fix Chrome not opening. So first thing you wanna do is go into the search here and search for Chrome like this. Click on your right mouse, click on open file location. Click on your right mouse again on Chrome and open file location. It will take you into this page. Now all what you wanna do here is click on your right mouse, click on properties, click on compatibility and click on run this program and choose Windows 8. After that, go into general and change the name of Chrome into Chrome 1. Click on OK, and after that all what you want to do is click on Chrome and the problem must be solved. I didn't save the informations because my Chrome is already working. I just want to show you how to solve it. So don't forget to like and subscribe.